On 10, nigga, not 9. On the night I was born, the rain was pouring, God was crying, light was struck, power outage, sparks was flying, the real one's here. The young boy that walked with lions around the outlines of chalk where the corpse is lying, the cause of trying to revive a sport that's dying, but the guns and the drug bars that y'all are lying got these nerves thinking that you niggas hard as iron, but that just mean I ain't as comfortable as y'all with lying, stretching the truth. No, I never stress in the booth. They feel the pressure, me I feel like I just left them a suit. Effortless, I'm stating on these records. I'll put your favorite rapper neck in the noose, never letting them loose. Cold world, they blast in your speaker. He the last of Mohicans, no weakness, last in my sneakers. Nigga, don't know my name, so he gon' see the wrath of the reaper. I'm probably gonna go to hell if Jesus asks for a feature. I'm higher than niggas, they don't need a bag for the reefer. Some see a glass is empty, I see a glass full of ether. Collecting his bread and mass like he a Catholic preacher. Just to count a nigga cash, you might need a calculus teacher. Eureka, Einstein on the brink of the theory of relativity. Really no MC equal. Feel me, coping me lethal, crip like the old MTV show. Oh God, the best rapper alive, headshot. Now go and ask the best rappers that died. They tell you he never lied. Tenor talk.
Shit together for a child. I put that shit together for a child. If I'm not making money, then I got me somewhere trials. If I'm not at the top, then I won't do it at all. Big tanks, big guns, big trucks, out. Big mutts, big doggies. I put that shit together for a child. I put this shit together like some puzzles. You ain't live what I live. You ain't did what I did. You ain't put this shit together.
I'm talking about you little asshole. Huh? My penis came off in the ground.
But I always see you doing shit, boy. Sit. Yeah. Sit. Yeah. Sit. Like a mutt. Yeah. Sit. You a bitch. You ain't got this fucking money. That's what it is. It's the King Tonka, King World, billionaire bitch. Because somebody I don't get no fuss about this shit. I'm with one buck, not two buck, not three bucks, not six. Yeah, I'm with a boy in the six. You don't gotta like it, but just know I keep them sticks. You don't gotta like this, but just know I run this shit. I put that shit together for a child. I put that shit together for a child. If I'm not making money, then I'm going some trials. If I'm not at the top,
I get 5 or you get 1.
big tanks, big guns, big trucks,
I get 5. Great.
big butts,
You get 1.
big doggies. I put this shit together for a child. I put this shit together like some puppies.
I got him. Now you know what I'm doing.
I'm just a rich
Here's your ball, right?
I put this shit together like a Josh. I put this shit together like a Josh. The real chicken chef, the bad niggas not around now.
Big tanks, big guns, big trucks, zombies. I put some big mustard, big doggies. I put that shit together for a child. I put this shit together like some puppies.
The coupe came with him, assuming it made.
That mean the season inside you. Out of sight, but I'm still in the loop. Calling shots in the bed with a Barbie. If they try me in here, I'ma shoot. Fuck around and forget I'm an artist. In the spring, I'ma pour up a deuce. 28 for a play when they charge me. Can't leave the streets cause I'm deep in. Supposed to be saving, I keep spending. I told my bitch she can't be friend. She call me daddy, my deep in it. When she want it, she demanded. She a little savage like Randy. They full of water like Tans.
Can't fucking do anything to stop me. My hair, my glass. Wait, you videotape that?
Yeah, I'll send it to you.